Hello everyone, and welcome to 2022. To get the year started, we added 2 million images to our Shutterstock library, and you can use them for free across our range of marketing tools as autoresponders, newsletters, forms, landing pages. And talking about autoresponders, make sure that you have a welcome message set up, as it is the most important message that you can send as a business because everybody is expecting it, and this will boost your deliverability in the future, and also it will build a better relationship between you and your customers. And guess what? We have new templates ready for you to use, and it will only take a minute to set up. If you are a more advanced user, you may want to think about re-engaging your already existing customers that took you so much work to acquire. And we recommend using web push notifications, as you can use them to inform these customers of what your brand has been up to in a very quick way. And these web push notifications can be scheduled, and they can also be part of an automation workflow. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next update.